You want me to do it for the camera? This is Halloween,
Yeah,
Halloween. This is Halloween.
Action!
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we are celebrating one of my favorite holidays, Halloween. We are going to be making a Bad Apple Cider Martini. Let's get going. First, you're gonna add 1 pump of our pomegranate craft puree. Next, we're gonna add 1 pump of our grenadine syrup. After that, we're gonna do 4 ounces of apple cider, 1.5 ounces of spiced rum. We just used Captain Morgan's spiced rum. Now, to liven this drink up a little bit, we're going to add some crystallized pearl gold food coloring. We're gonna do 1/8 of a teaspoon. All right, let's add a little bit of ice. Get it all shooken up and cold. Want to give this a real good shake. Now you can just strain into your martini glass. Next, we're gonna add our garnish. Every martini has some olives. In this case, we're doing apples. And there you have it, a Bad Apple Cider Martini. Thank you for watching. If you do make this at home, be sure to tag us at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, be sure to follow us on our channel and subscribe to our newsletter. Cheers!